Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign PDFs online. First, you will need to choose a reliable online PDF signing service. These platforms allow you to upload your document directly from your computer or cloud storage. Once uploaded, you can then proceed to create or add your signature. This makes the entire process straightforward and efficient, saving you valuable time and effort. When selecting an online signing tool, prioritize security. Look for features like encryption and compliance with industry standards to ensure your documents are safe. A user-friendly interface is also key, making the process smooth even for first-time users. Many services offer a free trial or a limited number of free signatures, allowing you to test them out before committing. The signing process is quite simple. Begin by uploading your PDF document to the selected online platform. Next, you will have options to create your signature. You can type your name, draw it using your mouse or trackpad, or even upload an image of your handwritten signature. Finally, drag and drop your newly created signature onto the designated line in your document. After successfully signing your PDF, the next crucial step is to save it. Most platforms allow you to download the signed document directly to your computer or cloud storage. You can also often share the document directly through the service via email or a secure link. Always ensure the recipient can easily verify the signature's authenticity for legal validity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.